Welcome once again. On this episode, we'll be talking about what software should a graphic designer use. I know many times you get to be asked the question, what software do you use? Especially if your designs are good. As a designer, you begin to hear people mention Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Canva, Pixellab, Figma, Illustrator, and a host of others. But the question is, what software should a graphic designer use? The answer to that question is very, very simple. What software can you use? That should be the question. What software can you use? The truth is, many people come and say you should get a laptop. They talk to smartphone designers and they say you should get a laptop. You can do much more with a laptop. You can do better with a laptop. It's true actually. But remember, the goal of graphic design is communication. Effective communication at that. How much does your design communicate with its audience? How well can you perform that action of communication using your designs? How effective are your designs? How does your design affect a person's emotion? What does your design stir up in people when they see it? That's a question that you should be asking. That's a question you should be answering. As a designer, is your design doing its job? Is your design communicating effectively? What exactly is your design doing? It's not about the software you use. Even if you're a smartphone designer or you're a PC designer, you're the king of Photoshop, you're the master of Canva, it does not really matter what software you use. In some cases, it does. But the question to be answered is, what results does your use of the software command? There are people that use the most adored Photoshop, and a Pixellab designer is doing better than they in terms of effectiveness of design, in terms of looks, in terms of layouting, in terms of arrangement. The question is, what result can your design command? What results are your designs birthing? When people see your designs, do they want to engage your content? When people see your designs, do they want to contact the person that has created that design? The question is, it's not about the software, it's not about the application you use, it's more about the results that your design is communicating. This is in no way discouraging people from using the mighty Photoshop, from using the all-wonderful CorelDRAW. What I'm saying in essence is, master the use of your design software. Master the use of a software, then you can begin to upgrade to another. Master the use of a software, then you upgrade to another one. Keeping in mind that your design must be effective. Your design must communicate effectively. Your design must be able to engage people. Your design must be socially accepted. Your design should not blind your audience. The thing is this, it doesn't really matter what software you use. One of my teachers said, the use of a software is only 20% in designs. It is the knowledge you have of the psychology of design that matters most. I hope you have an understanding, and I'd love to see you do better designs, not minding the software that you use.